Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. The Steam Link and PC must share a reliable network, ideally 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Once done, verify the host PC plays audio locally and that system volume, app volume, and output device are set and not muted. Next, open Steam on the host and go to Settings right arrow Remote Play. Enable Remote Play and allow network discovery so the link can connect and transmit audio packets. These steps ensure the stream can carry sound before deeper troubleshooting. Now you configure routing so the stream actually sends sound. On the host OS, set the default playback device to the speakers or headphones you want the link to use. This is what Steam captures. In Steam's Remote Play settings on the host, choose audio output as Stream to Device or the same default device explicitly. This forces audio into the stream instead of local-only output. If you rely on Bluetooth on the host, swap to wired temporarily, because Bluetooth codecs and latency often prevent clean audio capture. Finish by restarting both Steam and the Steam Link device so new settings apply. This clears stuck sessions. Then test with a simple audio source, play a short video or low-latency game, and monitor the link's volume and the host application mixer to confirm the stream carries sound. If audio remains silent, update or reinstall the Steam Link app and update the host's audio drivers. Inconsistent drivers or corrupted client files are common culprits. One key tip: try a different network mode, wired vs wireless, to isolate latency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.